What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna make the best marinade for carne asada that you've ever had. Look at this. I have 3.5 pounds of skirt steak, and I guarantee you, if you make this, you're gonna love it. So today we're gonna use 12 ingredients for our carne asada, and it sounds like a lot, but people, it's all flavor. We're gonna have a teaspoon of oregano. We're gonna have a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of chipotle. All I did was just blended it, and it'll be a teaspoon. Granulated garlic salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. Then I have Worcestershire sauce. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons, and soy sauce. We're going to use about 3 tablespoons. We're going to use about a 1/4 cup of oil, half a cup of orange juice, 4 garlic cloves, 1 squeezed fresh lemon. Don't use the fake one. And of course our meat, and about a half an onion, and about a handful of cilantro. You're gonna love this. Oh, one more thing. And just about 1 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, or whatever vinegar you have. Okay guys, here's our chipotle. I'm gonna use 1 whole teaspoon of that. Then the vinegar, I just use a little bit, like a 1 tablespoon. Here we have 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 whole lime juice, the half cup of orange juice, and about 1/4 cup of oil, 3 spoons of Worcestershire sauce, some soy sauce, about 4 tablespoons. Then we have granulated garlic powder. Then we have half a teaspoon of black pepper, tablespoon of cumin. This is oregano, but the oregano, make sure that you crush it very good. See how I'm crushing it? Crush it really good. That way it gets all in your meat. Now we're just gonna stir and stir. Now I wanted to tell you something about this marinade. This marinade is for the day of the grilling, because it has lime juice. And what happens if you marinate it and leave it overnight, it'll turn your meat gray. Just remember that. There's nothing bad with it. It's just going to turn gray. Just remember that. It'll still be pink inside, but just so you know. So this marinade is for today. You can do the same thing without the lime juice, and leave it overnight for a whole day, and then you can put it after, like the next day, and it'll be awesome. So remember, this marinade is for today. And now we just throw this in there, stir it up a little more. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Just mix it all in, make it all happy. So as you can see, they're pretty long pieces. Now I'm gonna cut them for them to be more manageable, and to marinate them. Make sure you massage your meat. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 2 hours. Everybody's in the pool right now because it's 110 degrees, and it'll be ready to grill. It's been about 2 hours, a little bit more, and we're ready to take it to the grill. Everybody's in the pool, hungry, so let's get started. Look how beautiful that looks. Alright guys, let's get to grilling. let's flip the meat. Okay, looks like our meat is medium well. Smells delicious. I wish I had smell-o-vision, but I don't. Guys, when you cut your steak, make sure you go against the muscle. You see? Make sure you go against the muscle, and it'll be more tender. But I just wanted to see how this one is. We're actually going to let it rest so that all the juices stay in there, because it's still cooking. But I just want to let you see how it looks, and of course I wanted to taste it. Oh, they probably wish they had some. Guys, hope you guys like my carne asada marinade. I know I do. Just got out the pool, so I'm hungry. So I want to thank you, and like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.